Hey users, when you will click on the link of dataset that I provided you in the description, you will be redirected to this page of Kaggle. And Kaggle is the provider of large datasets. You can explore it, but for this particular case, we will be using this dataset, Indian sales data. This data looks like this. You will have to just click on this download button and it will be downloaded in zip format. You will extract it and you will be left with this data set. It is having 13 columns: customer ID, then customer name, then product ID, the gender, age group they belong to, their exact ages, marital status. Here, 0 means unmarried and 1 means married. It is binary data. This is state, from which state they belong to, from India, and zone, in which zone they live, either central or southern or any zone. Then comes occupation, from which occupation they belong, which product category they bought, and how many orders they made, and how many amount they just spent on the shopping. This is the very start of the dataset, and you see it is a large dataset of 11, approximately 11,000 rows, 11,200. Yeah, 11,252 rows. Like each row represent each customer. This whole row is data of one customer. His name is this, and actually her name is Amlan, or sorry if I am pronouncing it wrong, and she belonged to this age group. Exact age is this, and she is married, living in Uttar Pradesh, the central zone, and she is a lawyer. She bought clothing and something like that, and she made one order and spent 18,400 on her shopping.